Okay, Convex Android GPS player. This is for the TS18 version. For reset, simple reset and full factory reset. So on your player left top, it's got a small hole, RST. So you have to find out a pin, a small pin to pin inside the small button for a simple reset. After simple reset, okay, you can try for the factory reset. Go to full menu, setting, system, okay, reset factory. So when you choose for the reset factory, then you key in the password 7890. If you press the confirm, will full factory reset will delete all your aftermarket data. So we'll back to the factory setting. So this is a password for the 7890 for full system factory reset for Convex TS18 Android GPS car player. Convex TS18 support Android CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, auto front camera function, Full HD screen, fastboot, QLED screen. So 8-core processor, support 4G SIM slot, screen resolution 1280720. Play Store, log in Gmail to download app. Okay, Convex TS18. Thank you.